This video is going to show you how to fit the Nikon lens to a Nikon camera. Now, first thing to do is make sure your lens is compatible with your camera. Otherwise, you could do damage to either the lens or the camera itself. So, first things first, make sure the dot on the lens lines up with the dot on the camera. Line those two up. Make sure the fit feels good. It shouldn't be able to go down any further than that if it's fitting well. Twist it up and you'll hear it click. Now that's engaged. Next thing to do is, if you want to release the lens, it's pressing this button just here. Hold it in. You should now be able to twist the lens and you'll see the white dot moving. Once it reaches this white dot here, you should be able to release it. Make sure you put a cap on your camera so the sensor doesn't get any dust on it, and hopefully that helps out with fitting the Nikon lens to the camera. Thanks for watching.